let's start with a look at what's happening with the U.S. market. So as we were mentioning, not too many catalysts for stocks after a big rally on Friday in the U.S. that was fueled by the better-than-expected jobs report. And then
Welcome back, passive income investors, to Monday Market Recap, where we're just breaking down the market open. I live in Ontario. I am right on the border of the TSX and the New York Stock Exchange. So when everything opens up, it opens up right at 9:30 here for me. Depending on where you live in the world, you might have to expect different open times. But I love checking out Monday, especially after the Friday we had. We had this incredible rally on Friday, which led me to think that we were going to either have a big open down or a big open up. I didn't think it was going to be in this flatland territory we're currently living in, guys. The markets have done nothing this morning. They are just flatter than flat, and it's really annoying. There are a few stocks moving around. I think Dollar Tree's up a bit. I've been looking a lot at like Tesla and STZ. Tesla is up quite a little bit today because Tesla's China thing is going on. They're opening up a plant in China, so that kind of news pumped them up a little bit. Constellation Brands has earnings coming out. So when earnings come out, when we get ER going on here, they're expecting it to go up. So it's having a bit of a rally because Constellations has dropped so much, but their margins and things are really good. So the analysts think it's gonna have a really good earnings, which is gonna send the stock up. So it's been rallying quite a little bit today as well. Other than that, guys, there's just a whole not a lot going on the TSX or the New York Stock Exchange. It's all kind of just flat, which is super shocking to me, guys, living in this weird territory after all the volatility, and especially everyone thinking the markets are in a correction or we're heading into a recession or a crash. I'm going to leave a video of Phil Towns, Rule 1 Investing, a gentleman that I watch, and he's been going on a lot lately about this crash that might be impeding that's coming. He thinks the markets are trading at far too high multiples, and it's a really hard thing. I've been going through his comments section, and I've been finding these comments kind of funny because he doesn't reply to them, but I find them really interesting. People have been saying things like, well, how because Apple and all these tech stocks are trading at extremely low PEs, but companies like Coca-Cola, Procter & Gamble, all these staples to society that don't have any real growth lately are trading at like absurdly high PEs. So are we just waiting for the staple companies to bring the rest of the market down, or has all the tech companies and all of these kind of higher moving companies part of the correction, or was that just the correction? Like there's just it's hard to gauge. I want you to watch this video because he leaves a lot of interesting advice. Super fascinating, guys. So I'm not going to take too much of this video up. This is just a quick Monday market recap, guys, of just kind of breaking down what is going on here. Now, this is just the opening of the day. A lot could change, but usually the morning has the most volatility, and I'm just not seeing that today, which is unusual to say the least. But check out the links in the description below, something to catch up on. My computer needs fixing. My hard drive has been crapping out, so I'm going to take it down to the shop. I'm going to get it fixed, and then I'm going to be able to make some more cool, awesome videos for you guys. So I'm sorry for the boring Monday market recap. We didn't see the crash that I was so hoping for because I want to keep buying more stocks. But we'll see what the rest of the week brings. So stay cool, stay awesome, and I'll see you tomorrow.